Welcome. Let's explore mindfulness with something as simple as a leaf. No need for anything special. A leaf, a stone, even a blade of grass will do. Gently hold it in your hand. Notice its shape, its texture, its weight. No need to name it or judge it. Just see what's here. The colors, the lines, the tiny details you'd usually miss. Breathe deeply. This is mindfulness, the art of noticing. And you can bring this same attention to everything in your life, anytime you choose. For more details, see the instructions given in the description. Remember, mindfulness is a gentle journey, not a destination. Just breathe and be. If you liked this video, click like, subscribe, and stay with us. Stay healthy, feel better, live brighter.